Good morning, Ray. Doing great. Another beautiful day in Napa Valley. A little chilly, but very sunny. So we're having a great time.
So I grew up in the Barossa Valley in South Australia.
Born in San Mateo.
Born in Colorado.
Melbourne, Australia.
From Vancouver Island, Canada.
Grew up in the town of Sonoma.
Originally from Louisiana, so Cajun boy.
Sonoma County.
Born in Berkeley, raised in Santa Rosa.
Born in Arizona, grew up in Nevada.
I was born and raised in Lausanne, Switzerland, in the French-speaking part of Switzerland.
I'm from here in St. Helena.
I am actually Brazilian born.
Fargo, North Dakota.
So I'm from the southwest of France, the Gascony region.
I'm from the Davis area. I'm originally from Detroit.
I'm from the East Coast.
Originally from Eugene, Oregon.
San Francisco.
Oh, I'm from many places. Welcome to the chaos and madness of 2018 Premiere Napa Valley.
5 cases of Champolet. And where do we start? 10,000. Okay, 10,000. 11, 12. Panels up. 13, 14, 15,000. Panel 17. 16 at the back. $16,000 goes 17. At 16,000. Champolet. 17. Thank you. 18,000. 18,000. John Goodnow. 18. 19,000. New bidder.
Oh, that would show my age a little bit. It's been a while. For 30 years.
I've been in the wine industry for 21 years.
Coming up on 20 years. Over 30 years.
I have been making wine since 2001.
2018 is going to be my 20th vintage.
My first vintage was 2004. 2004.
The 2017 vintage was my 24th harvest.
Boy, now you're really taxing me.
First vintage was 1999.
Over 40. How about that?
We'll see. It's our 20th vintage, so that's actually what we bottled.
My first vintage working in the wine business was 98.
Oh, God. It's been so long, I don't remember.
2010, I think, was the first year that I really committed to the family business and quit all my other jobs.
Well, it's mainly for the Vintners Association, for the NVV, to help them support our community and brand Napa, not only in the U.S., of course, but also in the rest of the world. And I think that's fairly important.
Hey, Ray. Hey, Aaron, how are you? I'm good. How are you doing? Fantastic.